Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity meets confectionery. Today, join us as we embark on a delicious journey to create the perfect cake for any event. Hello, fellow adventurers. Today, we are diving into the world of cake artistry. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or just a sweet craving, there's nothing quite like a beautifully crafted cake to make any occasion special. First things first, let's whip up some decadent cake batter. A blend of flour, sugar, eggs, and a dash of love forms of the foundation of our masterpiece. Now it's time for the fun part, decorating. With a palette of vibrant colors and an array of piping tips, we are ready to unleash our creativity onto this blank canvas of cake. From delicate floral arrangements to whimsical characters, the possibilities are endless when it comes to cake decorating. It's all about letting your imagination run wild and turning your vision into a delectable reality. Step into a world where culinary prowess meets artistic expression. Welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Greetings, fellow adventurers. Our journey begins with the careful selection of ingredients, each one chosen with precision and purpose, because when it comes to creating the perfect cake, every element plays a crucial role in achieving culinary perfection. As our cake layers bake to golden perfection, anticipation fills the air. With each layer stacked, our creation begins to take shape, laying the foundation for the masterpiece that awaits. Now it's time to let our creativity shine. With piping bags in hand and a palette of vibrant colors at our disposal, we breathe life into our cake with every swirl and flourish. Behold, our masterpiece is complete, a symphony of flavors and texture meticulously crafted to delight the senses. And there you have it, the sweeter side of life, one cake at a time. Until then, keep creating and indulging in life's delicious moments. Thank you very much.